Trading any type of market requires risk, and understanding risk or reward ratio is key to proper portfolio management as a trader. Before you open a position, you should perform some preliminary calculations to fully grasp what your potential gain and loss is. This expected risk is called risk or return ratio. To manage risk, you can use a stop-loss order that will close your position if it starts to trade against you. On the other side, a take-profit order can be used so you can automatically close your position once you have reached your price target. The most typical example of a risk or reward ratio is 1 to 2. This means that for every dollar you risk, you expect to make $2. Many traders even choose to use ratios like 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Which risk or reward ratio is best for you depends on your skill level, the markets you trade, and your personal financial situation. Calculating a risk or reward ratio is simple. Suppose you want to open a long position on the BTC-USD pair, and the price of BTC is currently around $10,000. Let's say you have decided that you want to use a 1 to 2 ratio. You have determined that you want to place your stop loss at a recent low of $9,500. This means your risk is $500 or units. To determine your potential reward, you multiply this by 2 for a total of $1,000 or units, which is a proper 1 to 2 risk or reward ratio. This means you would be prepared to set a take-profit order and close your trade when BTC reaches $11,000. The risk or reward calculation is an important tool for traders, but it is only helpful for understanding how much of your portfolio is at risk on any trade. Alone, it does not guarantee a trade will be successful. It is just as important to do your own research and focus on making informed trades. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.